We study cell polarization and in developmental processes by using the model plant Arabidopsis as a system. But in general, I would like the student to be the intellectual driver of their own projects in terms of the guidance and the right angle to think about scientific questions. But then later on, I think most students can develop their own ideas. Since we study fundamental biology questions in plants, so we utilize a lot of tools, a lot of molecular genetics knowledge, as well as cell biological approaches, biochemical methods as well. So we have pretty broad usages of all these approaches. I think the major goal is to start thinking about the project and start developing the tools, the ideas about the project, where it goes, go for the first year students. I have been trying to make efforts in meeting students regularly. The pace is typically 2 weeks at one time individually. And we also have lab meetings that also happens bi-weekly. Therefore, each week we have the opportunity to talk, to discuss individually or in a group. I want to be more positive. Sometimes to a certain point, it has to be critical, and particularly when it hits to some very important scientific experiments result and the rigor of the experiments, etc. We have to be critical. There's always ups and downs. They are motivated or encouraged by some good results from their experiments. So in general, I have not really experienced any students like really down for a really long time, but it's typical, like students have ups and downs. It's always a pleasure to see how students develop their intellectual capabilities as well as their experimental skills along their PhD. And for their graduation, normally good wrap up of their research, meaning like a paper to be published, is a pretty strong milestone in their research. In the meantime, of course, their new thesis is also important.